Hi guys,
Welcome back to my channel if you're new.
welcome. My name is Jasmine. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I got this look right here. I hope you guys like it. It took me like 3 hours to do. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the eyes and I'm gonna be using this Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade of Vanilla. I should have did one eye off camera. That's what I'm gonna go do. I'm gonna do one eye off camera and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm back. I did one eye. First, I'm gonna go in with this box of Crayons eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna be using the shade Plum. Okay, this to me is kind of the hard part, but then it's not, because I wanted this to look like flames, and to start off I didn't really know what to do, so I kind of tried to outline, like shape flames with eyeshadow, and it didn't necessarily work, but whatever. I'm gonna do what I did the first time. Okay, now that I applied that plum color, now I'm gonna go into this busted palette. I broke the top off and then I used tape to try to tape it back together, and yeah. I'm gonna be using this Perfect 23 matte color eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna be using these two shades mixed together, and I'm going to kind of blend but not really. Now I'm going to be using this e.l.f. blending brush. I don't know what it's called. I've had this for a while. And I'm going to blend out the eyeshadow. Okay, that's as much as I'm gonna blend because I'm lazy. Okay, now I'm gonna take this brush right here. It's painting brush I got off AliExpress, but I got it to mainly do like eye designs. But I'm gonna use this brush right here and my Maybelline SuperStay foundation and natural Ivory. I'm gonna use that foundation to cut my crease only because it's like thicker than like my concealers and stuff, and it's easier to control. Now I'm just gonna try to mimic what I did on this eye to this eye. Okay, now that I kind of got the shape down, I don't feel like going over it again. I'm gonna take the Too Faced concealer in Vanilla, and I'm just gonna fill that in. Now I'm going back in with that box of crayons eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to go in with this orange shade with my finger. And now I'm going to go in with this little flat brush right here. And take that orange shade and define. Done with the orange. Now I'm gonna go into this magenta shade right here and apply that with my finger on my lid. Now that I'm done with that shade, I'm gonna go in with gold right here with this angled Wet n Wild brush, and I'm going to go around the edges of the flames. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back in with this orange shade. Now I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and clean up under my eye. Now I'm gonna go into my face. I gotta go wet my beauty sponge. I'll be back. I'm back. For foundation, I used the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Ivory. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Vanilla. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 05. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. bronzer palette. I'm going to be using these two shades right here. For blush, I'm going to be using this City Color Polka Dot blush in Coral. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora highlighter palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Eclipse and Lyra mixed together. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my lower lash line. And I'm going to go with the shade Plum. And I'm just gonna go in with this pink shade and blend it out. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Rocket Valley Mix Best Mascara. Now I'm gonna go in with this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. Now I'm going to set my face with this Kleancolor Pro Sailor Setting Spray. Okay. My eyelashes are on. It took me a million years to actually do it, but whatever. Now for lipstick. I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in Latte. I'm also going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Stripped. For lip gloss, I'm going to be using this Steppin Beauty lip gloss in the shade Bear. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, comment down below any suggestions you guys have for another video. Follow me on all my social medias. They will be in the description below. I think that's pretty much it. Well, I love you guys. Bye. You guys see this? Like, it's trying to be cute. I need a bobby pin.